Andy, 2-1, close game but a hard-fought victory.
Very hard fought. Both good teams, difficult to play against as well. I thought we just edged it, to be fair. The end, to give that goal away was a little bit frustrating for us. We know when to keep a clean sheet, but we'll take all 3 points.
What were your thoughts about that incident at the end? It was a bit of a strange one.
Yeah, it was. Steve had said something and then walked away, and he was speaking to us really, and fourth official got involved, and that's about it really. Called the referee over, and he received a red. So, but I didn't think there was anything in it. There was no malice in anything, so it wasn't nothing. It's an incident that shouldn't have happened. So.
Ollie, a tight game, but a hard-fought victory.
Yeah, I thought, like you said, it was a tight game. I thought both teams played well. But the first thing the gaffer asked for us was a reaction from last week, and I thought we gave him that and got rewards in the end.
And from your own personal point of view, 2 goals this afternoon, both of your team's goals this afternoon. Gaffer can't ask for more than that, can he?
No, he can't, and obviously I think this season I don't think I've scored as many as I like, so it's nice to get one at least, and then to get the second one was brilliant.
Rich, colli am gêm glos, o'ch chi'n heiddi mwy?
O'n i'n teimlo bod ni wedi chwarae'n iawn first half, so dim ond lle hawdd i ddod, a o'n i'n meddwl bod ni wedi nullify nhw i dim llawer o chances, a oedden ni wedi creu dipyn i fod yn fair, a wrach quality yma yn y final pass neu'r snatcher bethau reit yn diwad lle, ond ia, wedyn second half, a da ni wedi o fewn 3 munud, mae yna jyst yn lladd bob dim. Bob dim yn drafod yn ystafell newid, da ni'n neud bob dim yn hollol opposite, a ia, wedyn mae hynna'n neud y gêm yn lot mwy agorad wedyn, a da ni'n gorfod trio mynd i gael rhywbeth. Ia, disappointed, achos mae'r ail gol wedyn wedi dod o throw-in, lle da ni'n mynd i ennill y contact gynta, i switch off, a mae'r ail un cross i fewn, a da ni'n mynd i digon i defendio box ni. So, Siomedig i'w wneud eto fo gols, ond un beth swn i wedi chwarae teg wedi credyd i subs sydd wedi dod heddiw. Ond yma bod nhw wedi gwneud gwahaniaeth, a oedd yn edrych bod mwy fatha bod nhw'n mynd i sgorio wedyn lle, so rhaid fi roed yn bach o glod iddyn nhw.